What is going on YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today I'm pumped to bring you guys this video. And the reason is because, well, I've been waiting for a while to do it, and the opportunity has risen. And that is going to be 5 stocks that I consider in the bargain bin, on sale, and ones that I am going to be buying, or definitely keeping on my watch list to start buying. And so I figured, why not pass this information on and give it to you guys through the YouTube channel. So if you're interested in this type of stuff, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. And I do have some really good stocks. Before we start clanging and banging on these 5 stocks, I ask that you guys please smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into the video. Let's go. Number 1, I'm not going to keep you waiting. Let's dive right into this thing. It is going to be Apple. And yes, Apple I consider a bargain and on sale. And I think we are going to get just a little bit more. So I'm going to swing over here and dive right into it. Like I said, we're going to break down this chart. So currently the market is open, so it will fluctuate just a little bit, but it opened today at $109.11. It's got as high as $110.67. Its low is $107.32. Its volume is 86.28 million. Its market cap currently below the 2 trillion mark, which I still feel is completely okay because, we have a lot coming up for this company. Market cap is at 1.84 trillion, still not bad. 52-week high is $137.98. 52-week low is at $53.15, and its average volume is 169.6 million. Now, when I did this video, it was down 1.17%, and it was sitting at $107.59. This is a 1-month chart, and the biggest thing that you guys are going to see with every single one of these stocks that I talk about has been affected by the election, has been affected by the stimulus talk, has been affected by the coronavirus. And so that is the ultimate reason why a lot of these stocks are going to be in the bargain bin and they're going to be on sale. That's the reason why a lot of these I feel are great opportunities, whether you add them to your watch list or you do purchase them in some way. So this 1-month chart shows the dramatic decline. With Apple, obviously, anything, in my opinion, that goes below $100 is a bargain. And I even consider where it's at right now. I like it. It looks good. Obviously, the 52-week high is $137.98. So that's something to think about as well. Now, some news did come out on Apple. They are going to be talking about their new Macs and things like that coming up on November 10th. And it seems like Apple has been doing things a little bit differently this year. And, obviously with the coronavirus, the cell phones, the iPhone 12 has been pushed back and obviously it's going to be released. But usually they do it a month prior. And just how they've kind of done everything this year has been just completely weird. And rightfully so. 2020 has been weird. So as we continue to move into the holiday season, that's where I really start to see Apple return back to some numbers. And the reason I say that is because you're going to start to get all those sales. You're going to start to get, the iPhone 12 rolling, and you're going to get some things really back in place. Not that they really were down. They just didn't have the iPhone sales numbers that they were expecting on this last quarterly earnings. And when you don't meet the expectations of your investors or the people out there, of course, the price of the stock is going to go down. In this case, it did. But what that does is it creates buying opportunities for a lot of us investors. So that's exactly what it did for me. And now it's going to be on to the next one. Number 2 is going to be Tesla. That's right, Tesla. And I'm excited to talk about this one. Really there's a lot that could impact this stock in both directions. And so time to swing over here and dive into this chart. So today it opened at $394. It got as high as $406.97. Its low is $392.30. Volume is 22.18 million. Market cap is $374.2 billion. 52-week high is $502.49. It's weird to see that after the split still. 52-week low is $61.85, and its average volume is 64.50 million. Currently, it's up 1.72%, still below that $400 mark. It's at $394.73. And once again, you're seeing another 1 month chart that has been infected by the election, has been affected by the coronavirus, has been affected obviously by stimulus talk, and has been affected by so much other things. So obviously a downward trend. There's just a lot of unknowns either way. And so I think personally with Tesla, the reason why I threw it in the bargain bin and why I consider it on sale is because it is below the $400 mark. And I do think the other day it hit in the 380s. To me, that is something that really kind of piqued my interest. I am very interested in Tesla. I think Tesla has a bright future, as many of you investors do. The thing with Tesla is it's well off its 52-week high, especially when it's below the $400 mark. And, obviously there's a lot of positive catalysts that are coming for this stock. I do think that this could go down just a little bit more. But the reason why I consider it, a buy or a bargain bin option is because there are a lot of positive catalysts coming for this company. And they obviously talked about it on Battery Day. Elon Musk keeps coming out and talking about other things that they're doing. They've reduced the cost of a couple of their vehicles. They obviously are going for longevity in their batteries. They're opening factories. They're getting things done. They're about to unveil a new picture or multiple pictures of the Cybertruck. So there's just a lot coming for Tesla that I feel in the long run is going to cause this stock to go up in the upward direction. Another thing to keep in mind is they have had multiple, consecutive positive quarterly earnings, and that might start piquing the interest of the S&P 500. Could Tesla be added to the S&P 500 here in the near future? That's something to always keep in the back of your mind, because that would be a huge catalyst as well, and probably drive this stock in the upward direction. Ones are where it really starts to get hot, and ones that I really am looking forward to. And it's unbelievable to see the prices, because, well, honestly, I didn't feel we would ever really return to a lot of these points. So swinging back over here, and we're going to be talking about Workhorse. Workhorse is number 3 on my list. Today it opened at $15.89. It's got as high as $16.60. Its low was $15.55. Current volume is 8.323 million. Its market cap is 1.964 billion. 52-week high is $30.99. We couldn't have got one more cent. 52-week low is $1.31, and its average volume is 23.63 million. Now, currently, it is up 2.54%, trading at $15.77. Now, obviously, guys, I want you to see the 1 month chart, and the reason is because, obviously, again, another catalyst, negative catalyst that drove this stuff down. The election, the coronavirus, and just so many other things. But the thing with this is, if I were to spread this chart out and really kind of give you a huge perspective, you would see that we have basically returned to some resistant levels. The $15 mark is where we were kind of sitting for a long period of time. And I definitely consider this stock on sale and a bargain. And the reason is just because there is so much opportunities that are literally waiting to come out. And they've released a ton of information. Obviously, the mega deal that everyone is obviously waiting for is the United States Postal Service contract. Rightfully so. You're talking a massive amount of money. But there is some other things that Workhorse has really talked about and has started partaking in that I feel go unnoticed. Obviously, the FAA approval for the Dragon, or the Horsefly, excuse me. I think that is absolutely massive. Was never worked in or factored into the stock, in my opinion. Obviously, they went out and got Hitachi. I don't feel that was ever really factored into the stock. That is a massive deal. It's going to get things in line. And, excuse me, they have a massive partnership with multiple avenues. I mean, holy smokes. There's just a lot going for Workhorse. And the biggest thing, in my opinion, with Workhorse is the fact that they just need to start manufacturing and getting the vehicles on their backlogs done. And rightfully so. I mean, you have the orders. You need to start making them, manufacturing them, and get them to the customers that actually made those purchases. Also, if you haven't, go to the UPS YouTube and check out the drone. The partnership with Workhorse. They actually show the whole procedure, the walkthrough, the steps, everything that goes along with the Horsefly and Workhorse. It is absolutely unbelievable, and it really is intriguing to see where the future of deliveries is going. So that is going to be number 3 on my list. On my list is going to be Lordstown, and its ticker symbol is RIDE, and that's still weird to say because they recently just merged as a SPAC. So it's actually pretty cool to finally see this company trading as its own ticker symbol. So swinging on over here to dive into the information. Today it opened at $13.76. Its high is $13.95. Its low is $13.05. Its volume is 1.531 million. Its 52-week high is $21.75. 52-week low is $9.95. And its average volume is 4.301 million. Currently it's up 0.11% and it is trading at $13.06. Now this is a 1-month chart. And, you know, recently, like I stated, they did merge and now they are trading as their own company. Obviously, with everything that has gone down due to the coronavirus, due to the stimulus talk, and due to the election, this is another one that has just gone down in the downward direction. But the thing is with Lordstown Motors, they have a ton of pre-orders. They're ready to roll. They have a plant. Everything seems to be in place for this truck company. Obviously, it's going to be fleet-based. And I just think that everything that they are preparing for and have been honestly just doing behind the scenes has been amazing. Once again, whoever is running their marketing department, I give you mad props. I mean, they're spearheaded by Joe Burrows as the front runner of their truck. It's amazing to see. There's just a lot. Obviously, this truck has been on the White House lawn and President Trump has gone through it. Mike Pence unveiled it basically at its unveiling. There's just a lot that this marketing department has really gotten right, I think, and this is going to be an amazing stock. Number 5, and I could probably talk about this one for days, and it is going to be Ag Eagle, ticker symbol UAVS. Holy smokes, I am so interested and intrigued by this stock. So swinging on over here, we are looking at an open of $2 even. It's got as high as $2.05. Its low is $1.98. Its volume is 1.082 million. Market cap is 114.9 million. 52-week high is $5.15. 52-week low is 19 cents. And its average volume is 3.442 million. It is up currently 1.39% at $2 and some change. This is a 1-month chart. Same thing as every single other stock. This has been driven down by the likes of the coronavirus, the stimulus talk, the election, and many other things. So the big thing with Ag Eagle is the constant rumor and the partnership with a major e-commerce. A lot of people, including myself, have massive ties connecting to Amazon. As we continue to grow this company and see it growing, there's just a lot that really is connecting to Amazon, at least as a major e-commerce. Now, obviously, Ag Eagle recently announced a partnership, and they've also invested some equity into Valkyrie, which is a huge deal in my opinion. Obviously, Valkyrie does mailboxes, and they also do pickup zones for drones, hence Ag Eagle. Another deep tie that goes with them is that Ag Eagle will be manufacturing Valkyrie's boxes for them at their Wichita, location. So it's amazing to see what is going on there. And obviously, if you dive in and do a ton of research on Ag Eagle, you will start to see yourself all the ties and connections that are going on. Set all that aside, I think this is the future of deliveries, and I think Ag Eagle is one of them that is figuring it out early on. Obviously, they're doing things right. Their drones are very, very good at what they do, and they're in multiple things. They're not just in the delivery aspect. They're into hemp, which they have located a partnership with a company down in Florida. They also have their ag department, which obviously is in their name and is what was founded on, is agriculture. So that's something that is still constantly going on. I'm all about ag, and I think that this stock has a ton of potential. And currently, with it being at the $1.98 to right around the $2 mark, I mean, that is unbelievable. And so that's why I consider it a bargain bin, obviously on sale type stock. And this one pumps me up. It really does. I appreciate you guys swinging by and checking out my on sale bargain bin stocks. And hopefully you guys found some interest in a couple of them, maybe 3 of them, maybe 4 of them, maybe all of them. And I do want to remind you guys, I am not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only. And I really tried today. I tried to provide the entertainment. And you guys know exactly how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. It truly does. If you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good one.